Hello everyone, today I will present you the new update for TempGP Rebellium 3.4 plugin. The update gonna have very small but nice feature of giving possibility for users to send the address to the car without actually using on-screen keyboard. So right now, if you want to add the address on a Garmin mobile PC, you have to press the 2 button and then use address and then select the city or just have all the cities and do all the typing here, which is more or less okay if your car is parked and you can spend a few minutes of typing the address. But if you actually driving somewhere and your friend wants to tell you that you have to go to their house somewhere, God knows where, it's kind of inconvenient because you have to park or stop on a highway and type the address, which is not really convenient. So to fix that problem, we added the Send to Car feature for Garmin mobile PC and the Rebellium 3.4 plugin. So what the function does is basically you can send the address to Garmin without typing the address on the on-screen keyboard. To do this, you have to have separate email account for your car, and you have to know how to use Gmail without a Gmail by Google Maps. So let's take a look how it works. Okay, so on this screen we have regular Google Maps interface, which you obviously can access through Google Maps website. And how the Google Maps works with Rebellium 3.4 is pretty easy. So let's type the address that we want to go to. Let's say we want to go to random address. Let's see what we know. 19 Broadway. And hints us for New York. New York, we're gonna go there. Here we go, we found this address a little bit below, where is it? Here we go. That's our marker by Google Maps, and we're gonna click on it. Then there is a small link. Oh, let me show you the address. So we have the address that we were looking for. Now we have the small link here on the bottom of the screen, or bottom of the annotation saying more. So let's click on it, and we're gonna go to send, and bigger window open it up, offering us to send the address to a device. So in our case, we're gonna send it to email, and that has to be dedicated email. I have to emphasize the address has to be dedicated because we're gonna wipe out your inbox. So you have to have only dedicated email address for the Send to Car feature. Now we're gonna type our email address that we use for our car. In our case, that's actually the car, and we don't have to do anything besides that. We're just gonna press the send button at the bottom, and the window is gonna disappear. As you can see, it's gone. And meanwhile, you're gonna send your address to our car. Let's take a look at the car monitor, how it's gonna work when somebody sends you an address. So we're back to the car PC monitor, and we just send the address from our Google Map. Okay, here we go. The track here shows that we just received the address, and we have option to actually read the address, so you see what address was sent. It's exactly the same address we were looking at the Google Maps, and we have two buttons, one go to and reject. Browse simulation, and here we go. The address was entered, and we didn't type anything on the screen, and we go straight to the destination. Okay, it's enough for us.
Turn right on Ocean Parkway.
So as you can see, we can use Google Maps to send the address to our car PC without typing. So most of the time, if you're gonna go to a car, you know where you're gonna drive somewhere, you know the address. You don't have to tap on the screen. You can go on your regular desktop, send the address to the car, and when you get in the car gonna read the address, and you know where you have to drive. You don't have to tap the address on the screen. And most importantly, when you're driving, somebody can send the address to your car, and you don't have to stop the car. You can reroute your GPS straight on the highway without stopping, without typing, without doing anything. You just press the button, accept or reject. I think it's kind of cool feature. You can install update, play around with it, and if you like, you're gonna have the same version in Rebellium 3.4 and Rebellium 4 version when it's released. So stay tuned and check www.tempgp.com for more information. Thank you.